Hello, Lindsay with Nightscaping here. Today we're going to review the installation process for pouring and installing a bollard on a concrete pier. The first step in the installation process is locate where the bollard will be placed. If the bollards are not being mounted to an existing concrete or permanent surface, then a footer will be needed. The next step is dig a hole for your footer. Refer to your installation instructions for your recommended footing sizes. Now cover both ends of your conduit with duct tape. Place your 1/2-inch sweep 90 conduit into the footer. The base of the pipe will extend into the soil. Make sure the conduit extends at least 1 inch above the top of your concrete pour. Assemble your mounting bracket and J-bolt hardware and set it aside. Pre-mix your concrete and fill to the ground level. Next, level the top of the footing. With the concrete still wet, place your J-bolt and base package into the center of the footing. Place your base at roughly the angle you want your bollard to face. Now embed the base until the bottom nuts are touching the concrete. Slide the base cap onto the bottom portion of the bollard. With the bracket secure, run the wire through the conduit. Be sure to leave a service loop when installing the bollard onto the universal mounting bracket. As you place the bollard onto the universal mounting bracket, leave a little extra wire. Make sure you do not pinch the wire. Take the 4 included screws and secure your bollard to the universal mounting bracket. Leave 2 screws slightly loose for the leveling process. Using a level, ensure the bollard is straight. Once straight, secure the 2 remaining screws at the base of the bollard. In order to avoid direct soil contact with the bollard, be sure to leave a 1/2-inch space between the soil and the bottom of the bollard. Finally, install the top cap to finish your installation. Instead of the standard top cap, you can choose one of Nightscaping's custom toppers. Thank you for following along with our installation tutorial today. Please feel free to leave us a like and comment down below. Until next time.